Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Tanaja Hambade from Final Year BTech. This is the ISC activity video presentation on national and international initiatives in smart grid. So first of all, we see that the what is exactly the smart grid? The grid includes the SCADA systems, separation and distribution automation, Internet of Things, power quality management, renewable energy, electrical vehicles, energy storage, wide area monitoring systems, that is WAMS, AMI means advanced metering infrastructure, and also smart grid connected to the all power plants, that is wind energy power plant, solar energy power plant, nuclear energy power plant, thermal energy power plant, and also like hydro power plant. So, what is smart grid? The smart grid is an electrical grid which includes a variety of operations and energy measures, including smart meters, smart appliances, renewable energy sources, and energy efficient resources. It uses information and communications technology to gather and act as information, such as information about the behaviors of suppliers and consumers, is an automated fashion to improve the efficiency, reliability, economics, and sustainability of the production of distribution of electricity. So smart grid is includes there are four main pillars, that is modernization, efficiency, sustainability, and reliability. India's smart grid landscape. So India is rapidly advancing its power infrastructure through strategic smart grid initiatives. These efforts focus on modernizing the grid, reducing the losses, and integrating renewable energy. So India's smart grid landscape includes mainly three things: National Smart Grid Mission, Smart Grid Pilot Projects, Smarter Meter National Program, etc. So national and international initiatives in smart grid. Uh, National and international initiatives in smart grids aim to modernize the existing electricity grids by integrating advanced technologies, improving reliability, and enhancing efficiency. This initiative focus on incorporating distributed generation, smart meters, and advanced communication networks to create a more responsive and sustainable power systems. So, key Indian initiative and supports. So, first is the India Smart Grid Forum, that is ISGF. It includes a public-private partnership think tank promoting smart grid technologies and policies, facilitating collaboration and among stakeholders, that is consumers, users, or any other peoples. So another is Ujala, means Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all. It includes the flagship scheme promoting energy efficient LED bulbs, contributing to demand side management of and energy saving over 360 million LED bulbs distributed by 2023. Then the third one is the DDU-GJY, means Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. It includes the focus on the rural electrification and infrastructure, strengthening the laying the groundwork for smart grid and adoption in rural areas. And and the fourth is restructured accelerated power development and reforms program or integrated power development scheme. It includes the aimed at reducing AT and C, that is aggregate technical and commercial losses, and strengthening the urban power distribution networks. And talking about international smart grid initiatives, global leaders are heavily investing in smart grid developments to achieve energy security, sustainability, and economic growth. In global leaders included the United States, China, European Union, and also Japan. So, first of all, we talk about the United States. They initially now launched new initiatives, that is SGIG, means a Smart Grid Investment Grant Program. Part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act 2009 invested over $4.5 billion in smart grid technologies, leading to the advanced in AMI, that is advanced metering infrastructure, and the grid reliability. Talking about China, Smart Grid Corporation of China, that is SGCC, has comprehensive smart grid roadmap investing heavily in UHV, that is ultra high voltage transmission, smart substations, and large scale renewable region integration by 2025. China aims for a fully integrated smart grid. And then talking about European Union, that is Horizon to 2020, the European Union resources the innovation program funded numerous smart grid projects focusing on inter interoperability, cybersecurity, and consumer engagement. The smart grid technology platform facilities knowledge sharing. Then the talking about the Japan smart community projects. Japan smart community projects like the one Yokohama energy management systems, smart homes, and the electrical vehicles create resilient and low carbon communities. Then global collaboration in smart grid. International organizations play a crucial role in standardization, knowledge exchange, and policy coordination to accelerate smart grid deployment worldwide. So first of all, we talk about the IEC and the IEEE Smart Grid. So International Electrotechnical Commission, that is IEC, and IEEE means Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, develop a global standards for smart grid for interoperability and the cyber security. Then second is ISGAN, means the International Smart Grid Action Networks, fosters the international collaboration on smart grid research, development, and the deployment. And the last one is Clean Energy Ministry, that is CEM. Through its various initiatives like the ISGAN promotes the global policies and the programs to advance the clean energy to including the smart grid. So, benefits of the smart grid adoption. Smart grid offer transformative benefits across energy systems, driving efficiency and sustainability. So, first is enhanced efficiency. In this, real-time data and automation minimize transmission and the distribution losses. Second is renewable integration. Seamlessly accumulates intermittent renewable energy sources like solar and wind energies. That is electrical vehicle adoption support. This is the very important smart grid adoption. Facilitates smart charging and grid management for the electrical vehicles. Then consumer empowerment provides the consumer with the data and tools to manage their energy consumption. Standardization promotes common protocols and technical for interoperability. Then job creation. In smart grid, fuels growth in new industries for software development to infrastructure development. Also, the smart grid includes the EVs, renewables, standardization, job creation, and internalization, and also EV adoption. Then talking about the advantage and the benefits of the smart grid. So first one is enhance reliability, increase the efficiency, environmental protection, then cost savings. Also two-way communication means the from consumer to the electricity board or MSCB to and then MSCB to consumer or the any stakeholder. Then improve the customer engagement, enhance security, then demand response and integration of renewable energy. Then for smart grid deployment, there is also challenges. So it deposits the immense potential. Smart grid development faces significant hurdles requirement and the concerted efforts. So first one challenge is high costs. So significant capital investments required for infrastructure upgrades and technology deployment. Second challenge is the skilled workforce needs. So for smart grid, so shortage of professionals with the expertise in smart grid technologies and the data analytics. Then cyber security concerns increase the vulnerability to cyber attacks due to the interconnected digital infrastructure. Then another is the interoperationality issues. Then policies and regularity gaps. So future outlook and recommendations. The future of smart grid hingings on the sustained investments, that is policy innovation and the collaboration efforts. So for future of smart grid, investment should be increased. Then workforce also in development, and also the cyber security concerns are also be enhanced. Then protective policy and also the standardization and interoperability. Then, towards the smarter grid. So, in conclusion, we say that the smart grid initiatives, both national and international, are pivotal to the achieving resilient, efficient, sustainable energy future. By addressing challenges collaboratively, we can unlock the full potential of these transformative technologies. So, from this, we find that some key takeaways, that is global commitment to the grid modernization is strong. Then another is the benefits far outweigh challenges with strategic planning. Then last one is the collaboration and continuous innovation are essential for the smart grid. So thank you.